Hello and welcome to Kev's Railfanning. With fall come shorter days, and we're in Deersdale, New Brunswick on September 15, 2024 at 18:03 hours, as the sun is starting to get very low on the horizon. The Southwest Miramichi River is calm and quiet as it flows under the bridge accessing Irving's Deersdale operations. CN M306 has passed Juniper on its eastward journey and will soon pass the hot box detector at mile 120.
Napadogan 120. No alarms. Temperature 22C. Total axles 526. Speed 44. Detecteur LCN Napadogan 120. Aucun problème. Température 22C. Total essieu 526. Vitesse 4.
CN M306 with CN 2968, 2332, 9410, and mid-DPU 3245 have 126 cars of general freight with them today. 306 had met their westbound counterpart 305 in St. Leonard just after 16:15 hours. Shortly after 305's tail end cleared the main line, the RTC had 306 lined up through Deersdale. St. Leonard is almost 80 rail miles to the west. The signals do not always get lined up this quickly, but at least you then know something is coming. Knowing I would have a bit of a wait is better, though, than having the train show up 5 minutes after the signal turn. So let's watch and listen as CN M306 comes rolling along the river. Oh, darn. Truck!
Napadogan Sub for that.
I hope you enjoyed this great video of seeing M306 rolling along the river. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.